Our skin, covering about 1.85 square meters, is the body's largest organ and acts as the primary defense against external threats. Historically, humans lived outdoors among insects and allergens, developing the reflex to scratch away irritants. Scratching quickly removes threats and soothes irritation. But why does scratching sometimes make the itch worse? Scratching relieves itching by creating small wounds on the skin. These small wounds trigger low-level pain signals in the brain, which distracts from the itch. This diverts your focus, giving the illusion that the itch is gone. But when you feel pain, the brain releases specific chemicals. These chemicals, like serotonin, make you feel comfortable and ease pain to stop you from fainting from severe pain. Serotonin can easily re-trigger the itch signal in the skin, leading to a cycle of itching, scratching, feeling comfortable, releasing serotonin, and then itching even more. This cycle is known as the itch-scratch cycle. In extreme cases, scratching can make the itch worse. For example, some diseases can damage the nerves, causing an itch that cannot be relieved by scratching. The New York Medical Journal documented a woman who, after recovering from shingles, suffered nerve damage from the virus. She had an inexplicable, unrelenting itch on her scalp, which led her to scratch through her skull to her brain. Most people have felt a similar itch, though less intense. For example, athlete's foot from a fungal infection can also harm the nerves. Scratching not only fails to relieve the itch but can also cause skin damage. This can cause more serious infections, especially in crowded places like subway cars, where athlete's foot is particularly annoying. Even if you find a chance to scratch, it often doesn't relieve the itch, which can drive you crazy. No matter the itch, scratching too much isn't the answer since it can harm your skin. That's why we're taught early on not to keep scratching itchy spots.